So I think somebody likes hummus because this is the most enthusiastic reaction we've gotten to. I want more. Now the dogs are going to mess it up. More hummus? More hummus, please. No, the police didn't go by. More hummus, please. Luckily, it's only the triple spicy red pepper with garlic hummus.
Very funny.
Just kidding. It's plain.
Water?
Wash it all down. Yeah. Hi, Elise. All right. We'll turn off now before you start coughing from drinking too much water. Bye-bye.